Hi, I'm Matt Swartz, Senior Editor with Expedition Portal and Overland Journal, and today on Field Tested we're talking about the NOCS Provisions 8x32 Zoom Tube Monocular and the Inspector Microscope. So the 8x32 Zoom Tube is a handheld monocular. This is kind of like binoculars, but just one. Pretty straightforward. We've got an adjustable eyepiece here for using it with or without sunglasses. And we've also got the focusing mechanism right here. So with this product, NOCS includes a Peak Design camera capture clip. That's what this bracket is for. So you can actually connect it to a backpack strap or your belt or somewhere convenient where you can easily access it while you're hiking. Now this is an 8x32 monocular. So 8 refers to the magnification power of this, and 32 refers to 32 millimeters, or the diameter of the front element on this. In practice, I think this is a great product. I've had it out in the field many times. It's really nice for looking at wildlife, and with this 4x microscope attachment, which just screws onto the front element like this, you can actually use this as a microscope to look at things like insects or plants or whatever you want to see up close. It's pretty incredible the magnification that you get out of it. I think overall the design is good on this. It's pretty durable. It's got this nice rubberized outer material which protects it from drops and things like that. I have dropped it a few times. One thing that this doesn't have is good weather sealing. So I actually had this take a quick swim in a creek one time, and it was unusable for about 2 weeks because of all the condensation inside the optics. So if you are going to get this, I would say be cautious not to use it in wet environments or where you might drop it in the water. If you're looking for something compact and easy to take with you on the trail or in your rig, I think this is a great option. The Zoom Tube is going to cost you $75, and the Inspector Microscope attachment is about a $20 accessory. Some people think the Fanny Pack is dead, but I disagree. This Fanny Pack has some water-resistant zippers, and it's a great place to store valuables or things while you're traveling, where they can stay right in front where you see them. It's comfortable to wear it on the side or on the back. One thing I really like about this Fanny Pack is the back has these sewn portions where you can tuck the straps inside. And the cool thing about this is it actually lets you put the waist belt of a backpack through and clip it on the inside. So you can wear this over the waist belt of a backpack if you're carrying a bigger pack.